Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Raman, you there?
Yeah. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. I have shared my screen. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see the screen. Raman.
Okay, good. So let's start now directly. Okay. I think all other discussions we have already done on phone. So tell me one
Yes,
thing.
yes,
Did
yes.
you watch any of the video which I sent you on
Yeah,
WhatsApp?
I was watching a video which started with the alphabet sounds and all that stuff. Till
Hmm.
mid
Hmm.
time,
Hmm.
I reached mid video.
So were you able to understand something from that?
Yeah, I just understood the sound of the alphabet is what, as you mentioned about ABCD and
Hmm.
German ABCD kind of a thing starting.
Hmm.
And 5 7 minutes, so you gave an update about the course, how it
Hmm.
is, what it is, what standard
Hmm.
it is, examination, all that I heard. I saw
Yeah.
the Skype of that girl basically, which you did.
Okay. Okay.
I
Yeah.
could not complete. That was going on only. I could not
Yeah.
complete. So.
Sure. I'll update. Basically, what happens is that in European languages we have levels. Levels they are designed like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Total six levels are there. In all
Raman, by
the
any chance we can record this conversation, or you don't suggest that?
you I'll get back onto that. Okay, I'll get back onto that. If you want today, you can record it on your Skype without even telling me. But I'll tell you what is the disadvantage of that. Okay, it's not required actually. So I'll
Okay,
tell you. You can record if you want, but actually you won't be. Actually, you will not get time to see that. Honestly. Okay.
okay.
So avoid that. Try to your purpose should be that in the lecture itself you should be able to retain so that your effort after the class should be minimum, right?
Right,
Okay, you are not a free person. You have other work also to do. It's not like German only you have
right.
to do for 10 hours a day. You will get mushkil se you will get 1 hour after the class. Okay, so in
Okay,
that 1 hour
okay.
I'll already give you so many things. So don't develop that tendency that okay, let's do some other work and we have the recording. I'll watch the recording. You will never be able to learn the language with that mindset. Your purpose should be okay.
Mhm.
1 hour is there. I'll absorb everything in 1 hour as much as possible. Okay,
Okay, okay.
do with that approach. Yeah. And yeah, so what I was saying, there are basically levels A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, like this levels are there. Okay, six levels are there
Right.
in all the European languages, right? It starts from A1, then A2, then B1, then B2, then C1, then C2. Okay, like this you
Okay.
have to do. So you tell me, you brief me like what is your exact requirement. Then I'll tell you like I think we've already discussed. You said for B1, right? B1, B2, something like that.
For the language?
Yeah. Like exactly what is the requirement to learn the language? For what purpose are you learning?
No, Raman. See, frankly, I'll tell you, I am a businessman.
Okay.
I'm into multiple businesses.
Okay.
I have got my friend and partner who's a German, but Indian German there.
Okay.
We've started a company there. We have started a company there in 2019.
Hmm.
I was supposed to travel in the month of March, April only. Unfortunately, lockdown and everything stopped.
Yeah.
I've invested in the company. We've started a fitness studio over there.
Okay.
He's into yoga, big
Hmm.
time yoga. A very quite famous guy there in Germany.
Okay.
Name is Feroz Khan. He's
Okay.
from Pune, but his wife is from Jaipur, by the way.
Okay. Hmm.
So he's settled there only, citizen passport and all. So we started their business. So we just thought, why not we, and we are very old known. So he said, why not we start something? And I was looking at something in Europe.
Hmm.
So I said, let's start something. We started this business and all that stuff. Unfortunately, all this pandemic, everything stopped.
Yeah.
So now I got the redate and everything. So I have my own company, but I don't want to go into, you know, this thing. What do you say? The self employment kind of a thing because their requirement is quite tough. So I've taken a work permit in my own company
Hmm.
and I'm going as per that. So he was telling me so after pandemic, then I told him, yeah, I was initially looking at investment and all that stuff to just come and go and set up something and then slowly shift or develop. So now, after I was into travel and tourism, I have traveled almost every country in the world.
Okay.
So I was telling him, yeah, Ravi, nothing is working here in India much. So I can look at being mainframely in Germany only. We
Hmm.
tried it. We got the appointment on 15th of Jan. So he suggested that why don't you do, a German language as well. So if you're planning to come here, then it will be easier for you also to learn.
Yeah.
And also he said, now your employment is on our own company, yoga company only. So now you're going to show yoga fitness.
Hmm.
I said, yeah, I know the yoga thing, but I have not done because I'm not that fit. As well as he said, we've applied as a yoga instructor or something out there. So the German course will be helping. That's how we started. So I wanted to be very open to you. So it
Okay,
helps
yeah,
me.
that's fine, that's fine. So see, the thing is that okay, time being for that purpose you are learning, but overall, if you look at the future, no, if you are planning to invest more time there, then your stream is something like that. Without the language, you will not be able to grow as fast as possible, right?
That's what he told me. Yeah,
Okay,
that's why it's the main reason that I want to start
yeah,
learning
yeah.
German, because he's like, if you know German, that is a very big advantage to do business or
Yeah,
to conduct
definitely,
whatever it is.
definitely.
Like, yeah,
Because see, your field is something like that. You will not be meeting skilled people more, right? You will be meeting unskilled people more. Okay,
maybe,
and
yeah,
unskilled people
yeah,
are those who don't know English there. Actually, that is the thing, right? When you go to villages and when you go to other area, no, it's not about Germany. If you see Switzerland or Austria, Switzerland is like half of the Switzerland is village. Okay, so when you will
right,
see there, most of the people, many people, not most, many people, they don't know English. Okay,
right,
so it seems to us that okay they will be knowing English, but the reality is that many people, like 60 to 70% people, native people, I am saying, not the expats
yeah,
who are
native.
there. Okay, Germany is having people from almost all countries of the world, including China, America, everywhere. But I am talking about native people. Native people, for them Germany is everything. They don't know English and all that thing. They don't know. Okay,
Right,
and it's a spoken
right,
German, right? Many people you will find they don't know how to write also, so they are just depending on the spoken. Just like in India, it happens, na? Person can speak Hindi, but many people, everyone cannot write like that.
right, correct, correct.
Okay, so that's the thing, and see, try to learn till such a level that you are able to express at least 70-80% of your thoughts. You are able to communicate with them. Okay,
Correct.
so
Correct.
for that you have to make a target. As I told you on phone today, make a target of B1. Okay, right, honestly I don't want that you end up wasting more and more money on this, so you can do till C2 also, but that is not required. So try to
Right.
make a target that okay by B1 your requirement should be fulfilled. Okay,
Correct.
later
Correct.
if
Correct.
it comes out that okay like still you want more practice, or if you out of interest, if it comes that okay you want to do B2 also, accordingly at that time you can do as per your time and money availability, but minimum till B1. So that is what I told you on phone. Less than
Right.
B1 will not help you. More than B2 is waste of money. Okay,
Right.
right.
Right. Right.
C1 doctors do C1, and people who are taking admission in German taught program in the university, they do C1. So for you, all that is not required. So minimum B1 and max to max B2. More than that is not required. Even B2 also, I would say that right now leave that. Okay, try to fulfill everything within B1 itself.
Okay.
Okay.
So all these A1, A2, and
Hmm.
B1 are
Hmm.
all similar timelines ka courses, Raman, or
All
it is
all
more?
in our curriculum, it's all same. 25 sessions in each level. Okay.
Okay, great, great.
Right, so
So not
I'll
that
tell
great.
you the
Okay,
breakup
not
of
that
that.
much.
Okay, time being
Yeah.
you are on enrolling for A1 only, but I'll just tell you a brief breakup of that. See, what happens is that when in the beginning, if we are setting the requirement that okay we have to go till B1 level. Okay, I am not
Right.
talking about fees and all. That obviously you have to pay in installment also later also A to B1, that also you will pay in installment. So I'm not talking about money.
Right.
I'm talking about
Right.
the approach changes. When you say that okay
Right.
Raman I will do A1, then I will do A2, then I will do B1. Okay, there is the approach.
Mm.
And when you say that okay I will go A1 till B1, right, there is a totally
Right.
different approach in grammar. What happens, let's say, see, there is one topic called counting. I'll tell you where the difference comes. Countings, what do? You do numbers like 1 2 3 4 so on, simple, just like
Right.
in English and Hindi. Okay,
Right.
now what happens is that when you do A1, if you check out any Goethe Institute or whatever, any institute in your city, wherever you are, in A1, what they do, they take numbers from 1 till 20. Okay,
Mm.
it's a very simple example which will tell you what I am trying to say. 1 till 20
Mm.
numbers they take. Sometimes what people do, some trainers they take numbers from 1 till 100. Last. That's it.
Mm.
More than that they will not tell you. And they will take your 2 or 2.5 months in doing your A1. Now just understand one thing. Okay, you have done your A1, you have studied a language for 2 months approximately.
Mm.
Okay, now you are going to a supermarket. By chance your bill comes something like this, 156 euros dot 75 cents. You cannot speak this much number.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
then
Mm.
where is the effort of 2 months or 2.5 months? You cannot say that okay I am A1, I cannot speak this number, I can speak 1 to 20 only. Okay, and this is such topic which people can do on their own from internet, but still in the curriculum they have broken it like that okay 30-40% they will take in A1, then 1,000 10,000 they will take in A2, and then million trillion billion they will take in B1, right?
Mm.
So with that
Right.
what happens, you end up wasting double triple time. It's like just like duplication of efforts. The topic which you
Right.
could have done in one instance, if you study 1 hour 2 hour properly, unnecessarily you are breaking it into three parts, and then you are ending wasting 1 year, and even after that clarity is there or not there, there's no guarantee of that. And
Right.
this is a very easy topic which I am telling you, you do it yourself from YouTube itself, you can do. So just understand what will happen when in the real grammar this kind of thing happens, and this actually happens in the curriculum. Okay,
Right.
this actually happens. It's not about German. If you see French also, Spanish also, everywhere, these A1, A2, B1, what are these levels are created by some international bodies which are handling this complete industry. Okay,
Okay.
so they are not sitting there for charity, na? That is the reality. Okay, if from day one, if the person learns the subject in detail, then why will people write down the A1 exam and why will people write down the A2 exam? And if they don't write the exam, then how will those people earn? Okay, the exam
Right.
fees of A1 exam is 200 euros approximately. So you can see 90% people they write down the A1 exam, and it is nothing. You study 15 hours from me, I'll guarantee you the A1 certificate if you do the effort as per the way I tell. Okay, so what we recommend to people is that with proper effort you write down the B1 exam directly. There is no such requirement that which forces you to write down A1 A2 before you write down B1. Okay,
Is it? Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
if you want to waste your money, or if someone is reimbursing your fees, then only I recommend. I tell very clearly, because many people are not aware of this fact, and because of this what happens, a person's budget exceeds 50-60,000 you are spending on a language learning, and then another 35,000 you are spending on exam fees. So you end up like, if you compare offline classes, people end up wasting 1 lakh rupees in just one learning A1 till B1, and even after that there's no guarantee whether you clear B1 or not. I'm talking
How
about
much they charge for the exam? Got it?
that is what I'm saying, 200 euros in Germany, and in India it is 13-14,000. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
in India, including all your taxes and all, it is 13 to 14,000 for external people. For A1, A2, B1, roughly I'm saying broadly. Okay, 500,000 rupees might be less or more. Obviously, it is less every year. It gets increased, but 13 to 14,000 is the current fees which is going on. Okay, so why to waste that money? Okay, you can save that 20-25,000 there itself. So your training fees, and then with proper effort, if you want to write down, you write down the B1 exam. Until and unless there is some such kind of requirement, like you have to show A1 certificate to some embassy, or if such kind of written requirement is there, then obviously you have to write. Otherwise, to all the people, we recommend that you write down B1 exam with proper effort.
My partner told me, I was just talking to today yesterday night. He told me that, okay, if your interview is there and all that stuff, since he's saying you're now getting into skill category of yoga kind of a concept, so for supporting, just write that enrollment of language, German language
That
learning
you will
you're
get
doing
from my end.
in
That
your
you will get from my end. Okay, that everything you will get.
Yeah.
You will get receipt also. You will get my certificate in hard copy. Everything you will get. Okay,
Right.
that all that you will get. You can start. You can enter it today itself. That okay, I have started learning and so, and this is the time frame. Within 3-4 months, 4-5 months, I'll be finishing my course. Okay, and right now the condition outside is such that nobody can ask you second question on that, because all the Gyothe centers are all closed, and nobody is getting the exam slot, and everything is closed completely in India right now.
Right.
Okay.
No, they're taking online sessions. I checked with them. No.
Yeah, online they are taking, but
they're taking online sessions. Only exams they're declaring for. This year, they're not there. Next year, they're doing it. Yeah.
Next year, and
but,
also see,
but there was a session starting from December only. 15 December, they were starting the session.
Online they are taking, but the exams they are not conducting. And exam centers, what they like recently November, December, they opened the exam center just 5-10 days before. And I'll tell you what happened in that exam centers got opened after 5-6 months, after March April lockdown. Okay, so people who paid the fees in February March, they have written the exam right now before 15 days. So you can understand who has applied for right now October, November, December. People who applied in this time, they will get the time slot in February March. So this is the kind of delay going on there. So don't assume that you will get the slot in February. Today you apply, you will get the slot in March, not before that. In India, in Germany you are getting slot easily, but in India it's like very much packed up, because they are very limited centers, and each exam they declare a date once in a month or twice, once in 2 months, and each exam attempt they are taking like not even 15, 20, 25 people, not more than that. So you can understand people, like family reunion visa, FRV visa people are there, then your job seeker visa people are there, your university students are there who are writing A1 exam. Lot of rush is there, and very limited slots are there. That's why that problem is there. Okay. So leave all that. Okay, you don't have to concern all that with that. Okay, yeah, you will be getting my certificate. In case you want to write down the A1 exam, you can write it down in the middle of the course. Okay, but write it down only when it is like very super necessary. Otherwise, don't waste your fees. It's a waste of money.
No, I'm not going to do. I'm not going to write the exam.
Yeah. So later what happens when you go there? Then you are applying for your PR and all. There also a lot of difference comes up with A1 and B1. Okay, once you go there, you will actually come to know what happens. With there's a particular number of stays required, particular number of months to get your PR and all there. Okay, so in
Okay.
your category, I am not sure, but yeah, with exam certificate, lot of things matter. If you have B1 certificate, then that particular number of months you are not required to stay as many number of months as it is required with A1 certificate.
Yeah,
Okay,
but PR so ultimately they're giving after few years only, na? Not immediately.
in that there are double criteria. Na? If you have B1, then that time frame is less. Okay. Just
Okay.
for example, if you have B1 certificate, you will get PR in 12 months, and if you have A1 certificate, you will get PR after 35 months. So I'm just giving you an idea. I'm not
Right.
talking about the exact number of months. Just giving you an idea
Right.
that with B1, that particular stay duration will get lesser. You will be eligible early. That is what I'm saying. Okay.
Oh, is it? So
Yeah,
even
definitely.
language studies matter for the PR also.
Definitely, it matters. For working people, it matters. In your category, you need to check again because I think you are going on your self-employment or business or whatever.
No, but
But
no, mine is as good as a work permit only. Simple. So
then
I'm as
definitely
a
it matter. The
employment
people who are
category.
learning from me, they are all having the same thing. They're with B1, you get eligible early. That is the thing. Okay, so you can
Okay.
check this thing out later. Once you go, you can check this thing out. But more or less, the exam, PR, and all this thing. The thing is that you will get good fluency with the language only when you reach the B1 grammar. In A1, A2, A1 though I don't consider A1 as grammar. Grammar in German starts with A2 level. Okay, and then it goes till B2 level. So A2, B1, B2, these are the actual grammatical levels. So B1 is something like 80-90% content you can speak if you do the vocab and everything properly with B1.
Yeah. So in case technical requirement is as such, as you say, I'll do that only. Na? We'll finish up the entire course step by step, A1, A2, and B1.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
examination directly I'll write B1 only. That's better. No?
That is a good approach which we suggest to everyone. Okay, with that,
Yeah, because I don't need to give any certification for my company or to
if
anybody.
it is not required,
That
then
is it.
leave it.
Yeah,
Then
it is only
focus
for
on the
myself
language.
and the immigration process
Hmm.
if I
Hmm.
plan to do something. That's it.
Yeah,
Nothing
yeah.
much.
For that, you will get my document. No? So leave that. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah. Done, 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 done.
go with that level. So from A1 till
And
B1.
you before I forget, we'll finish this conversation. So
Yeah.
you give a good package if I take all the three together, A1, A2, B1.
Sir, I'll tell you what happens. This fees which I am giving you, this is same from 2017 December. Okay,
Acha.
so it's almost the same since like 3 years. I'll tell you the reason what happens. I get lot many referrals from Germany, and why I'm getting referrals is because people who are like, let's say today you are learning, you go there, you will refer someone. Okay, only once you are happy
Right.
with the course. So because of those referrals, we are not able to revise the fees. We have not even increased it by 1,000 or 2,000. I can give you many people who joined me in 2017 and they paid the same fees which I have given you on WhatsApp. Only the
Right,
B2
right,
level fees we have
right.
increased. B2 was 72,000 6 months before. Now A1 till B2 78 if you see your WhatsApp. But A1 till B1, which is the like 90% people join for that only. A1 till B1. Okay, so that fees I have not even revised since last 3 years. So whatever I'm
How
giving,
much is that?
it's like same for everyone. I have not given something like which I can. We cannot play with the fees structure like that. Okay,
No, means the
I'll tell you.
same amount into three times.
Yeah, in 3 installments only you can do that. That's not
No,
a
but amount
problem.
is how much? The same 17.5 into three.
No. It's 56,000. 56,000. Okay.
I've not seen that. That's why I didn't see only
Yeah. It's
anything.
nine.
That's why I'm
It's
asking.
I'll write it here. 56,000 is the fees for A1 till B1. Okay. 75 sessions are there total. Okay. So installments are 19, 19, 18 like this you can do. First installment before we begin. Okay. A part of that you have paid today. So balance you can do later. Second installment after 25 sessions and third installment after 50 sessions like that. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay. 1990. Now
yeah,
tell me one more thing, Raman,
yeah,
before
yeah,
since we are
yeah,
getting into it, 75 sessions. Now,
yeah.
if even my son is also interested to learn German with me.
Hmm.
So if we do two people together, how does that work out?
What is his age?
He is now 15 years
Then he can learn. Definitely he can learn. 15 is a very good age. He
because
can.
he's in grade 10 IB board. So he can
Okay.
do that because his school is from home only. He was telling me today, I told him I'm enrolled, I'm doing it.
Hmm.
That even I'll learn. He learns online and he tries doing that
No,
thing.
no, no,
He has
don't
French in
don't
his
mix
school.
him in all that. Online with you. I'll tell you the reality of online. Online, what happens? Person starts learning and then he kills his own interest. Okay. So if
Yeah,
you,
I know. He's doing some Udemy here that he was telling me.
yeah, I know everything. Udemy and all that.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
cannot learn a language in $10. You can simply understand that thing. Okay.
Right, right,
So
right.
that is just an
Because for him,
advertisement
though, he don't
platform.
need certification, anything. He just want to learn to improve his
Hmm.
knowledge as one more
See,
language. So I
if
said,
he
I'll talk.
can devote
And I'll let
time,
him.
okay, I told after 1 hour you have to study for 2.5 hours of homework. This is the ratio. So if you
Ah,
think that he can devote that much time, then you can include him in your with you itself. Okay, and if you think that right now you cannot devote that much time, then we can hold on. He can do later separately. Because see, if you are putting money, then he should be able to learn. That is what I am saying. It should not happen that he's getting school and he's getting interrupted, and because of him you are also getting, like, you are also not able to focus. Because lecture, once we do a lecture, both of you need to be available. So it should not
Right.
happen that he's
So
not
I'll do
able
one
to
thing.
do
I'll
it.
let him do later only. Maybe
Yeah.
tomorrow, day after, whenever I'm at home. I'm in the office. Morning time I'm at home. Na?
Later,
I'll also
later
make him
make him
also
do.
listen to the course and I'll tell him, ek baar dekh le.
Yeah.
And then he can
And
plan his
I'll
thing
tell
because you
you.
need to work for 2.5 hours.
Yes.
I don't think, no, he just got a break for this one,
No, no,
one
no, no.
10
Then
days, and
don't
after that again his school will start. He's got a lot of assignments.
don't make
He's
him
in
do
IT
that.
board, na, Cambridge, so he
Yeah.
has got a lot of things to do.
Okay.
So maybe we don't need that chance.
Okay, I'll tell you a better approach for him. You join the live class, okay, and for him you take the recorded video course which I have given you on WhatsApp. Okay.
That he can do on his own. Yeah, better,
Yes.
better.
So with that, what will happen? Make him close that YouTube and everything. YouTube and Google, make him close everything. Just make him do my recorded video course, and then what we will do, once he's more free, let's say after 2 months, 3 months, then I will start his live classes and I will adjust this recorded video course fees into that, so that money will not go waste. Okay.
Better.
So
better.
with that
Okay.
we can do, like he can start also, and need not to pay twice. That all that video course fee I will adjust in the live class.
Yeah,
We'll make him do from that.
Idea was, we wanted to, go there, move there, look at there after IB board. But now with plans changing, he's also thinking that then he might come to Germany for education and all. That's
You
what
can
he's
you can
thinking.
take him. There are many people are there. Many parents are there. Their kids I am training. They're in India. They're very soon. They're about to go. So you can take them. It's like very good there. Indian parents are there and their students are, their children are learning in the IB schools there. So you can decide, think on that. It's a very good option.
Great.
Okay.
Great, Raman. No problem. Thanks for
Yeah. And just one last thing in this. See, I'll tell you, 1 to 75 lectures are there for A1 till B1. Okay. So in that, what happens? 1 to 45, or let's say 1 to 48, we have the grammar, right?
Okay.
That I will be taking. And from 48, or let's say from 50 to 75, we have the exam preparation, or you can say major focus on the listening skills. Okay. Right, because listening is very important. 4 modules are there in the exam: reading, writing, listening, speaking. So exam preparation covers that, and more focus on the listening skills that my wife will be taking, Shivani will be taking. Okay. So this I am telling you prior, because later there should not be any confusion. So we have this kind of breakup, whether you do A1 or whether you do B1. If you write down A1,
75 she'll be taking listening skills,
last one third, because that is her strength. Okay, she's like 1,000 times better than me, so that's for your benefit only.
Right.
Okay.
Great. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just telling you prior. Later there should not be any confusion.
How's she doing? She's doing good.
Yeah. She's well now. I think she's on leave till.
You one and what is it? A boy or a girl?
Boy.
Oh, good. Congrats.
Yeah. Last week only. So I think she.
Yeah, I know. We were talking and you said you were busy 3-4 days leave because of the.
Just because of this only.
Yeah. You told me. Yeah.
Okay, so the day you contacted me, after the next day she had a delivery. I think you contacted me on Monday, and 15th I was occupied.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
No,
that's
what I did, I also finished up all my 2-3 days of work, and I knew this Christmas weekend and New Year I have a holiday, so I can give more time.
Yeah.
So I wanted to listen to, get through 1 session, 2 sessions, and do the homework and tell you that okay, I can take it more. Since I've traveled a lot of places, but I don't know German, French, Spanish. I'm a bit skeptical. I know Arabic very well. I used to stay 5 or 10 years.
Okay.
I know a lot of these languages. I've been to 75 plus countries and all that stuff, but I've never spoken. Because English I used to get everywhere, so I never attempted.
Yes. That is the thing, now. When we get English, then we are like, we learn the language only out of necessity.
As you rightly said, native people spoken German is a big thing. Germany I went 5-6 times, but I saw that thing. They are very shrewd. They know English, but they don't want to talk.
No, they don't want to. They don't have any care for that.
Yeah, they believe they're very shrewd people, and they believe in their own German culture and the greatness of German language. They will never talk.
Everywhere you will find this. In Austria also, Belgium also, Switzerland also. Everywhere you will find this.
Switzerland is all mix of 3, na? Austria, Swiss side, German, Swiss side, and the French, Swiss side. That's...
Yes. But majority of the area in Switzerland, they have the German only, and Austria also they have German only spoken. You will find English also there, but if you know German, it's like you are 1,000 times ahead of other people. I'll tell you simply. Okay, because with that, you can interact with everyone now if you know the language. That is the thing.
Right.
Okay. Right. So let's start now. See, when we start a language now, we start with the letters. We start with the ABCD. Okay. Any language you do, you start with the letters. What is the script? What are the letters used in that? So German, as you know, it uses the same Roman letters, same ABCD which we have in English, same 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers which we have in English. Okay.
Right.
So same script is there. Only difference is that 2, 3, 4, 4 new letters you will see, which we are not seeing in English. So 4 extra letters will be there. That I will come on to that after some time. First, what I will do, I am playing one video. You might have seen on WhatsApp. That is the ABCD video. Okay.
Okay.
Just like the ABCD you have in English, ABCD, EFGH. Just like that, we have the ABCD in German. So that is totally different from English. That is something like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, something like this. Okay. And these are the names of letters. These are not the sounds. These are names of letters. Like in English, you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In German, you have A is called as A, B is called as B, like this. Okay.
Right.
So I am playing this video twice. Try to listen to it, and then we'll compare it with English. And no need to write down anything.
Yeah.
All this video, PDF, everything I'll send you today itself. Okay.
Okay.
So just listen on the lecture, nothing else. Yeah.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, that was the German ABCD. Now you have to repeat with me. Okay, see, in English we have ABCD, EFG. Okay, in German we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So repeat A, B, C, D,
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G.
E, F, G.
Yeah, A, F, G. Okay, then H, I, J, K,
H, I, J, K,
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Correct. Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
R, not R. Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z.
Okay, so they say X, Y und Z. If you listen to it,
Y und Z.
und is and. Okay, so we say X, Y and Z. So this and is called und in German.
Und. Okay.
Right? So that's why you can say X, Y und Z, X, Y and Z, or you can simple say X, Y, Z.
Okay.
Right? Okay, once again, A, B, C, D,
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G,
E, F, G,
H, I, J, K,
H, I, J, K,
L, M, N, O, P,
L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, T,
Q, R, S, T,
R, not R, Q, R, S, T,
Q, R, S, T,
U, V, W,
U, V, W,
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, at Z.
X, not X. X, Y, Z.
X, Y, und Z.
Und Z. Z. Not Z.
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 T, Z, double E, T, Z, E, T. Yeah?
Something like this. So the sound is like this. Z. Okay?
Z.
That is the sound. Yeah. So, see, what is the purpose of this ABCD? Let's say if I go to a government office, okay, and the person who is sitting there, he does not understand the spelling of my name and he does not know English, right?
Yeah.
So he will ask me to repeat the letters. At that time, if you say my letter name spelling is SABIR, he will not understand because he does not know the English ABCD.
Right.
Okay, so at that time you have to speak the German letters, that S A B E R, like this.
Ah.
Okay, that is the purpose of this. And if you have any capital letters, let's say BMW. So in India you say BMW, but in Germany it is called BMW, right?
BMW.
Okay. Similarly, one more Volkswagen you have, Volkswagen. Okay. So
Right.
Volkswagen is like, it's a German company only. So in short, it is VW. In India we never say VW. In German they say VW.
VW.
Yeah, VW. Okay, you have seen na? U, VW, X, Y und Z.
VW.
This one. Okay, so BMW, VW. Similarly, CD. Your movies, CD which you have. So in English it is called CD, but in German it will be saying CD. Abed CD. So they will say CD.
CD, yeah.
Right? So, you have to remember this complete sound of these letters. What are they called? Because whenever you have with capital letters, let's say in India you have LIC, okay? Something like this. So, you don't have to speak the English letters. You have to speak the German letters only in that case.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
So I am giving you some words to practice. Try to speak them using these names, these letter names. Okay. Yeah. So start from here. Okay. Try to speak them one by one.
Be, am, way.
Hmm. Next.
Sa, see, day.
Sede. Abid
Say,
Sede.
day, say,
Sede.
day. Say,
Hmm.
day.
Hmm.
Ba, in,
Be. Slowly. Be.
be,
E.
I,
E.
in,
E.
अच्छा, I is E.
Hmm. You know ha e
Be,
yot ka LMNO pe. So be e
be, E,
hmm
N,
n
E,
e
N, E,
hmm
ta,
te
te,
ku s te u fau ve te
te,
hmm
a.
next
Re, R is
r
re,
r
R, R,
hmm hmm
U,
hmm
ka,
ke ha e yot ka
you got ka, M,
m
A,
not a
sorry. A,
hmm
N is N,
hmm
A, N, I is
ha e yot ka
E.
e
Yeah,
okay
I is E.
yes
Okay.
next
Birla is Be,
hmm
E,
hmm
Re,
r not re r
R, R. Okay.
hmm
R,
l
L, A,
a
A, A.
hmm next
We know there's Epsilon.
no fau way fau
V is Fau.
hmm
Fau, A,
not a
N,
fau
E, Fau, E, N,
hmm
O,
o
De,
pe okay day abcd day
we say De. Yeah.
hmm next
Mangalam.
hmm
M,
m
A,
hmm
N,
hmm
G is G,
no
Ga,
ha e okay abcd af gay
G.
hmm
Okay. G, A, L, A, M.
hmm next
Haryana is A, B, C, H, ka, H
ha
is Ha,
abcd af ha e yot ka so ha
A,
hmm
A,
hmm
R,
hmm epsilon
Epsilon,
epsilon
A,
epsilon
N,
a
A, N, A.
okay next
India. It's E,
hmm
N,
hmm
D,
hmm
E,
hmm
A.
next
Shubham. Sa,
s lmno पे qr st okay
S is S. Okay,
s
S. Okay, S. Ha,
hmm
U,
hmm
Be,
hmm
Ha,
hmm
A,
hmm
M.
next
Bankim Chandra. Be,
hmm
A,
hmm
N,
hmm
K is
ka
K,
ha e yot ka
Ka,
hmm
E,
hmm
M.
m next
Se,
hmm
Ha,
hmm
A,
hmm
N,
hmm
D,
yeah
R,
Hmm.
Ah,
Okay. Right. Done.
done.
Right. So study with this approach that you are able to grasp as much as possible in the class itself. Okay.
Right.
What I have personally seen, I never stop someone from recording video. You can do that without even telling me, without even asking me. But I have always, this is my personal experience, people who are recording the videos in the class,
Right.
okay,
Right.
they, their energy is very less and they are relying on this that, okay, no, we'll do in the night, we'll sit and we'll watch the video, and that day never comes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, because I told you, after one session, I am already giving you content of 2.5 hours to study. Okay.
Right.
If a person is slow in learning, everyone has the own memorization power, right? I was very slow, I'll tell you. Okay. People are there who are able to, होते हैं रटने वाले, they can do very fast, they can mug up very fast, and people are there who are slow. I was kind of average. So 2.5 to 3 hour, I am already giving you the content. So you don't have, if you burden yourself that, okay, 3 hour content I have given you and 1 hour video you are burdening yourself unnecessarily, that means 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so
Right.
4 hour I don't
Right.
think we can study 3-4 hours. At this stage it's very difficult, right? How much you are free, whatever you are free. So avoid burdening yourself with extra material. Okay, try to keep your time limited and try to finish it in that time itself. Okay,
Right.
yeah. So this is a list of ABCD,
Hmm.
the names of the letters. Now see here, you were spelling out this name. Let's say this one, Birla. When I speak, I say Birla. I never say Birla. When I speak your name, I say Sabir. I never call you as SABIR.
Right.
Okay. When you call me as Raman. You don't call me as RAMAN, because what we did, these are the names of letters. If I ask you that okay, spell out the names of my letters, the constituent letters, you will say RAMAN. But when you speak,
Right.
you don't use the letter names. You speak the sound of that letter.
Right.
Okay, so our sound is R, then A, then Ma, something like when you merge it, then it becomes Raman. Okay,
Right.
so now we have to start with the sounds. What we did was the name of letter. Now we have to see the sounds of these letters, whatever we did.
Right.
So for that,
Right.
I'm opening some rules. Try to understand them one by one. Okay, this PDF I will share with you.
So my name Raman, in short, if my name is Sabir, SABIR, but my spelling in German is, S is S, A is A, B is Ba, if I is E,
No, spelling is
and R
same.
is
See,
R. So
spelling is same.
I'll be pronounced like this.
Spelling.
Sabir.
There are
Kinds
three
of-
things. There are three things. See, you said spelling. Spelling is same. Spelling is Sabir only. SABIR only. Okay.
Correct.
But when you speak the letters, that is different. That you will say SABIR. Okay.
Right.
And the pronunciation is same. Sabir, like English only.
Okay.
Okay. Right. You have taken this
The
name
letter
from
reading will
English.
be in a different tone, but when you write
Yeah.
in English also, the
Yeah.
letter, it will be in the same tone.
Yes, yes. When you dictate out the letters, then you will explain to the person that okay, S A B E R like that, B E R like that. Okay. But
so
why
German ABCD is same like what we have got ABCD only. Same letters.
same?
Only pronunciation is different. Huh?
Only the name of letter, the sound of letter is different. The name is also different. The sound is also different.
Otherwise, the letter means same for them.
That is same. That is what I'm saying. They use the same Roman numerals. Okay. So same Roman script they are using. Same Roman script is there in French also, Spanish also, in this German also, English also. Okay, Norwegian also, Dutch also, everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I got the point. That was a big question mark. That is answered now. I got the point.
Yes. So now we'll focus on the sounds. Okay, see here. I told you they use the same Roman alphabet. They have same story, A till Z. Out of that, 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 are consonants. Okay. So same 26 we have in English, same 26 we have in German. No change in that. In German, you will see something extra. You will see something like, this beta. Let's say if I write here, this beta, chemistry beta, it's called S set.
Yeah, I know it.
Okay.
Cos beta,
Yeah. So that beta you will see here. Apart from that, you will see this A umlaut. Okay. Let me write here. This A umlaut you will see extra. Then your O umlaut you will see extra. Okay. Then your U umlaut you will see extra. So these 4 letters extra you will see. These 2 dots are called umlaut. If you can see.
Umlaut.
Yeah. These 2 dots on A, on the top of A. Okay. These 2 dots on the top of A. These 2 dots are called umlaut. UMLAUT. Okay. The 2 dots on the top, they are called as the umlaut. So we have 4 extra letters in German. First is this beta, This is called est set. Okay, the name of this letter is est set. This is the name. The sound is sound I will come to later. The name of the letter is est set and 3 umlaut letters. A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. So total 26 you have from English and 4 extra letters these people have in the script.
Okay.
Okay. So 26 you have from English and 4 extra they have their own 4 extra letters. So all that we'll see what are their sounds. These 4 also. Yeah. Now see here, I told you A to Z, 4, the 2 parts are there, vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, consonants are B, C, D till Z. Okay. So we'll see their sounds. I am drawing one table. The table is whenever any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, or G. Okay. Ending means if in the end of the word this B, D, or G is coming in the end, then respectively the sound will be per, ta, and ka for that B, D, and G.
B
Okay.
is P, D is T, and G is K. K.
Yeah, sound will be like that, per, ta, and ka. So if you see here G, I, B, here it is B is coming in the end. Okay, B in the end, that becomes geep. Speak, geep,
Geep, geep.
geep, geep. Okay, so geep means give. Geep means give. Why it is long E, why it is geep, and why not gip, that I will tell you after 5 minutes. Right now, just focus on the sound of B. Geep. Okay, so geep is the sound and the meaning is give. So meanings you can ignore right now. We are not concerning about the meanings right now. Just focus on the sound. That G-I-B, B in the end, sound will be per, geep. Okay.
Okay.
Then K-I-N-D, D in the end. I told you when D in the end, the sound of that D will be T. So this is something like kint. Okay?
Kint.
Kint.
Okay.
Then T-A-G, G in the end, sound will be K. So I told you G in the end, sound will be K. Sound will be tak.
Tak. Oh, okay.
Okay?
Girls.
Geep, kint and tak. Got it?
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
Kint and tak. BDG in the end, sound will be per, ta, and ka. Next is A. A is having 2 sounds. 2 sounds. A is having 2 sounds, A and A. Okay? A is having 2 sounds, A and A. One sound is A, second sound is A. How you will identify? Where to use A, where to use A? For that there is a rule. The rule is you have to count the consonants. You have to count the consonants coming after A directly. Consonants are this B, C, D till Z. These are the consonants. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to count the consonants. Tell me in ALT how many consonants after A? How many?
Consonant.
How many
Consonant.
consonants?
I don't know what is consonants first.
Consonants are this, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, consonants are B, C, D till Z, remaining letters.
Actually, remaining letter are consonants.
Yeah, okay.
So
Vowels
it's-
and consonant 2 parts are there, no? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining are
Correct.
B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. The remaining are
Right.
the consonants. So you have to count the consonants coming after A. Tell me after A how many?
2.
2. Yeah. Now second example. After A how many? Directly.
After A, 3.
No,
No.
this E
A,
is there. No?
G, 1.
Only one. I am saying directly only ones. Okay. You
Yeah.
have to count
Yeah.
direct consonant. Then here TRAGEN. How many?
1.
1. Okay. The rule is after A if you have one consonant. Okay. After A
Yeah.
if you have one consonant directly, sound will be A.
Oh, okay.
Sound will be A. Otherwise it will be having the A sound. Otherwise it will
Okay.
be having the A sound. A.
Okay.
Right? After A, if it is one consonant, then A sound. Otherwise, it will be A. So speak the example. Alt.
Right.
Alt. Then Fragen.
Okay.
Okay. Fragen. Next, Tragen.
Dragon.
Okay. Got it now? Alt,
Yeah.
Fragen and Tragen.
Okay.
After A, one consonant, so A sound. Fragen and Tragen. And after A, more than one, then it's little bit lesser sound. A. So this becomes Alt. Don't call Alt. It's Alt. Alt. Okay.
How you pronounce this? Alt.
Alt. Simple. Alt.
Okay.
Clear? Then next is E. E is having the A sound. A. AY sound. There is no counting. Simple AY sound. Speak the example. SN. Speak.
Okay.
SN. Speak this example. SN.
SN.
Next. Second example.
Egal.
Egal. After A, one consonant.
I have one consonant.
Okay.
Egal.
Yes, that becomes egal.
Okay.
Then next is I. I is having two sounds. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Long
Okay.
E and short E. How you will identify? Same, you have to do the counting. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E.
Okay.
Okay, after I, one consonant, then long E. Otherwise, short E. So here see I double ST. After I, how many? Three.
More than one.
More
Three.
than one. So short E. Ist.
Yes.
Ist. Then WIDER. After I, how many?
One.
One. Long E. Wieder. Speak. Wieder.
Either. Okay.
Okay. Then BILD. After I, how many?
One.
Two.
Two. L and D both. Yeah.
So short E. Short E will come and D in the end is star. This becomes built.
Built. Yeah.
Okay. So if you see here GIB. After I, how many?
After I is one.
One. Long E. Geep.
Yeah. Keep.
Okay. Then KIND. After I, how many?
One.
Two. KIND.
Ah.
Two consonants. So short E.
Two.
Kint.
Yeah. Two I said not two. Yeah.
Kint.
So
Okay.
it's the same. Type. Short form.
Short E. Kint. Then TAG. After A, how many?
One.
One. So this becomes A.
Long.
Tag.
Tag.
And G in the end is Tag. So there is one very common greeting. Guten Tag. Okay. 90%
Right.
Indians they call Guten Tag. So it's not Guten Tag. Check it from tomorrow. It's called Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Okay. So you have to speak Guten Tag only. Don't say
Guten Tag is what?
Good day. Good day. Hello. Good day. When you greet someone
Good day.
first time. Okay. When you greet someone first time. Hello. Good day. That's called Guten Tag.
Right.
Okay. So A, E and I. Next is O. Right. I'll take two more letters. Then I'll give you this PDF to revise for 5 minutes. Okay. So see, I'll go little bit slowly initially because it's a very totally new subject for you. These rules and all, they're not that much easy to grasp. So you take your time. There's no hurry. We have enough time available. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Go slowly. And today is just one session. So just for you to have an idea, right? So go slowly. There's no hurry to finish. Yeah. Next is O. O is having two sounds. O and O. Okay.
Yeah.
O and O. O for Korea. O sound. And
Yeah.
O for awesome. Awesome. Okay. O for awesome. So that is the O sound. Same story. You have to do the counting. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound. And if it is more than one consonant, then O for awesome.
Okay.
Okay. So speak this example. Order.
Order.
Order. Then Zol.
Sol. Sol. No?
Then Monat.
Monad.
Next.
Because after it, only one consonant.
Corp.
Then consonant. Corp.
Okay. After O, if it is two consonant, then O sound. And B in the end
Longer
is per.
Corp.
Yes. B in the end is per. That becomes corp.
But you haven't written KAA then.
No. Why K double? See, this is just the sound. This is the actual word. Left hand side.
Actually, what is? It's KO, na?
K-O. Yeah, it's O. After O, two consonant.
KORB. Okay.
Corp.
Corp.
Order is or, Zol is should, Munat is month, and Corp is basket. These are the meanings.
Right.
So leave the meanings. And this middle column is the sound. When you, after the class, when you will revise the PDF, to recall the sound, you can see at the middle column that this is how you have to speak.
Right.
Okay. Order, Zol, Munat, and Corp. Don't confuse this middle column with the spelling. This is not the spelling. This is the actual word. Original word is this one, left hand side.
Okay.
Okay.
Zol.
This is just the sound after the class for you to refer. Order,
Okay.
Zol, Munat, and Corp.
Monad and Corp.
Next is U. U is having U. Simple U sound. No counting, no single double, nothing. Just a simple U sound. Neither it is too short and nor it is too long.
Okay.
Okay. So speak the example. Tun.
Tun.
Then mutter.
Mutter.
Next.
Mutter.
Shoe.
Shoe.
Okay.
Shoe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next is shoe.
Shoe.
After we do this A till Z, then I told you that we'll be looking at these 4 extra letters. And after that, there is one more topic called combinations. Combinations of vowels and consonants. So this SCH is a combination. Okay, one combination and I'm taking today. SCH sound is sh sound always, everywhere.
Right.
Okay, you have heard of some companies, na? Bosch or Schindler
Yeah.
or Schneider.
Right.
One is
Yeah.
Schneider and one is Schneidler. Two are there. Okay, and one is Schindler, right? And this is Bosch. You can see everywhere SCH is coming. So this is the sh
Yeah.
sound. They have fixed the sound. SCH is sh sound.
Okay.
Okay, these are all mechanical companies. They make that elevator if you see in your building, na, that lift.
Yeah.
Okay, so very common companies. Yeah. So the SCH is sh sound and H in the end is silent. That we will see in the consonant. H, whenever it is coming in the end, it is silent.
Okay.
Okay, so this becomes shoe.
True.
Right? Yeah, let me revise everything from top. First we did a table. Any word and in German if it is ending with B, D and G, that means in the end of the word if B, D or G is coming, then respectively the sound of that B, D and G will be per and k sound.
Otako. Yeah.
So if you speak the example, speak this: Geep,
Give.
Kind,
King.
Tak.
Ta.
Okay.
Ta.
Next is A having two sounds, A and A. One is long A and one is short A. Okay.
Right.
So after A, if it is one consonant, then A sound, otherwise A sound. Okay.
Okay.
So speak the example: alt,
Alt.
fragen,
Dragon.
tragen.
Dragon.
E is having the A sound. There is no counting. Simple A, area, mathematical area of rectangle, area A sound.
Right.
Okay. So speak the example:
And
Essen,
Asan.
Essen, not Asan. Essen,
Asan.
Essen, and second
And is Agal.
egal. A sound. Egal.
Igal. Yeah.
Egal, not egal. A, simple A.
Igal.
Okay, you do the payment, Pay, that pay, A sound, this one, egal.
Igal. Okay.
Then I having two sound, long E and short E. You have to do the counting. After I, one consonant long E, otherwise short E. Speak example.
T.
Ist,
E. It's E.
ist.
East. Yeah. East.
Next.
And next is Ip. No.
Wieder. Next is
Where are
wieder.
we? Are we talking about Wieder? Okay.
Yeah, this one, second example, wieder.
Wieder. Okay. East. Are we talking down? East.
Wieder.
Built.
Ist, wieder and built.
East, Wieder and built. Okay.
Okay. Next is O having two sounds, O and O. Okay. O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O. Otherwise, O for awesome.
So we read as Oder. Zoll. Monat.
Korb.
Yeah.
Okay. Oder, Zoll, Monat and Korb.
Yeah.
Simple.
Then it's about U is double O. Okay.
Yeah, U is U. Simple U sound. Neither short nor long. Simple U sound. To speak the example.
Tun. Mutter. And shoe.
Shoe. Okay. Tun, mutter and shoe.
Tun, mutter and shoe. Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, clear till here everything?
Yeah, till here it's clear. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm sending you the PDF first. Okay. First you revise this A, E, I, O, U completely, and then I'll try to take few constants also. Check your Skype chat.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, file pronunciation part.
Yeah, download that file and go through it for 2-3 minutes. Let me know if you have any doubt.
Yeah. not opening only. Aman.
What happened? Download it. Right click and download.
Yeah, I downloaded it. Yeah.
So it will be getting stored in your laptop now. Right click and check it. Open in folder, something like that.
Yeah, now it's opening.
Opening? Okay.
I'm doing on a desktop today. My laptop is not working, getting connected in the office.
Okay. Go through it for 2-3 minutes. Okay. Then tell me if you have any doubt.
Yeah, 1 second, it's opening up. Pronunciation, vowel, consonants, current, G. So now we are learning only the pronunciation as per the vowels and consonants. Yeah?
Yeah. But out of that, only 5 letters we have done so far. Okay.
Yeah. A, E, I, O, U we have done. Yeah.
Only that much we have done today. Okay.
Yeah. Only vowels we have done, but
Yes.
this is a long lengthy, right?
It will take another 1.5 lecture. Next lecture will be little bit faster. Okay. Because today we discussed the other things and only very less content we have taken. So in the next lecture we'll try to
Vowels,
finish
no?
this.
Then later on we'll do consonants. No?
Yeah. After this consonants only. So few consonants I'll take today and remaining will finish in the next class. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, A, E, I, O, U, I got understood. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, clear now? Understood?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, let's move ahead. Right, let me share my screen. Yeah. See here, after U, we have the next is the consonant. Consonant first is B.
Right.
Okay, first is B. So in B, if you remember, I gave you a table BDG PTK. Right? Whenever B in the end,
BDG.
sound is per. Whenever B in the end, sound is per. And remaining everywhere, it is the normal B for Bombay.
Yeah. Just for your knowledge, in Arabic, there is no word P. So
Okay.
In Arabic, there is no word P. P is always B.
Okay.
It's reverse.
Yeah, okay. But here they have both.
They never call Pepsi. They'll call Pepsi.
Okay. Oh, because they don't have that. That's why. Okay. Yeah. So B in the end is per. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Okay. Speak the example. This one.
Yeah, it's Belen.
Next.
Oben. Corp. Jeep.
Geep, not Jeep. Geep, go.
Geep.
Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Next is C. C is having the K. K sound like English. Okay.
C is K.
K sound like English. So this word they have taken from English. So you can say camping. They have taken from English. You can say camping.
Right.
Okay.
English is camping.
Yeah.
And they are like ping.
Yeah. But you can say like English because they have taken this word from English. That's why. Okay.
English only camping.
Yeah.
Okay.
But overall sound of C is K.
C is kite.
K. Yeah. K for kite. Okay. K for kite. K sound.
Kite.
Not kite. It is a K for kite sound.
Yeah.
Right. After that, next which we have is D.
There is pizza. The example down is pizza is.
Which one? No. That is not that example I have taken to explain. What happens is that when you take any word from a different language, okay, so that word you have to speak it like its own original language. Just like if you see the word pizza, they have taken this word from Italian language. In all the languages, they have taken it from Italian. It's a native of Italian origin. Okay.
Right.
So in Italian, it is spoken like pizza. So in English also we speak like pizza only. So in German also you will speak like pizza only.
Pizza only.
Okay. So just to explain that.
You will not change it. Some words.
Yeah. The sound is not changed. Just to explain that this camping.
Like noun only simple. Like my name Sabir. If we see denotation of my alphabet, it will be different. But as a pronunciation, it will be Sabir only. Right?
Yeah. Because they have taken this word from in the English, na? So that you have to tell to people that it is Sabir, right? Okay.
Right.
If they speak wrong. Yeah. Next is D. So D in the end is ta. From the table BDG PTK, D in the end is ta, and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay, beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example. Dum. Next, Baida. EI is I. EI is a vowel combination that is having the I sound. Baida.
Okay. No, what is the combination?
This EI,
Bida.
EI, yeah, that all these combinations I'll take in the next class. EI is having the I sound. Okay.
Bida.
Yeah, bider.
Okay.
Next,
Bida.
Wieder.
Vida.
Next,
Yeah.
this is one more combination. I
E
is
is again.
E.
I is also
E.
again there, no? Bida.
Yeah, EI
Then
is
B
I.
is T. So but.
But next,
Hunt.
hunt. Okay. Wieder,
Yeah.
but and hunt.
Hunt. Here the T is T. D is T. Right. Hunt.
Yes.
Right.
Right. Wieder, but and hunt. Okay.
Yeah. Vida, Bath and Hunt.
Correct. Next is F. F is fur. Okay.
Yeah. Four. F is four.
Yes. F is fur.
Yeah.
Clear? So speak the example. Foul.
Foul. Foul is foul.
Hmm.
A, U is there to yard. Foul, fa, A, double A.
Yeah.
Foul.
Foul and shaft.
Shaft, yeah. One alphabet, so, okay. Shaft.
Right? Foul,
Foul
and
and
shaft.
shaft.
AU is a
Foul.
vowel combination. Foul is shaft.
Foul is shaft, yeah.
Yeah. Next is G. G in the end is ka. G in the end is ka. And beginning of middle is ga for gun.
Right.
Right? Beginning of middle is
Okay.
ga for gun. So
Good.
speak the example.
It's Gagan.
Yeah.
Then there is T-A-G. G is tak. K. Tak
Hmm.
and U-G. Okay. Kluk.
Kluk. Kluk. Gegen, tak and kluk.
Gagan, tak and kluk.
Yes. Gegen, tak and kluk. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. H in the beginning, first position is her. Rest everywhere it is silent. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only the beginning is her.
Yes.
Okay.
H in the
And in
beginning
this,
is
her, then, okay, H for hen. Okay, got it.
and in the end everywhere it is silent. Middle or end everywhere it is silent. Okay. So speak the example.
Halt,
Halt.
halt,
Hmm.
then
Gain.
gain,
Yeah. Next.
say hen,
Zain. Halt, gain and zain. Okay.
halt, gain, and zen.
Good.
Why S is Z here?
S is the. Single S is the. Single S is the. That we'll see in the consonants. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. Once we reach S, today we'll do till P. In the next class, I'll tell you single S is the. That's why.
So,
Okay. Halt, gain and zain. See, the important thing is this H in the middle is silent. So don't call it gehan. It's called gain and zain.
gain and zen. Okay.
Yeah. Next is J. J is here. Okay.
J is here. Okay.
Yes. So speak the example. Yunga.
Yunga,
Hmm.
then classe,
Yeah. Next is KLMNP. That is same. Kala manapa. Okay.
kolamanapa. Okay.
Yeah.
That is all same only, classe. Okay, we were up, no? Okay.
Klasa. Next chicken.
Classa, chicken, Keller,
Yeah.
will,
Hmm.
Atman,
Yeah. Okay. Atman.
Swim.
Shrimp.
swim, Renan,
Yeah. Next.
brown,
Yeah.
brown.
Okay.
Below the
Renan
track,
and
see one
brown.
later.
And next is lipper.
Then lippe,
Lipper.
Lipper.
Chicken,
Lipper.
Keller, Will, Atman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, and Lipper.
Lipper. Now, why PUH is here? Because of
No. See, this is not PUH. This is the sound lipper. How you will revise lipper?
Okay, just the sound. Okay.
Okay.
Pronunciation sound you mean? Lipper.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Lipper.
Lip.
Klasa, Chicken,
Lip.
Keller, Will, Atman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown,
Okay.
and Lipper.
Klasha, chicken, Keller, will, Uthman, Shrimp, Rene, brown, Lipper.
Yes. Okay. Renan, Brown, and Lipper.
Okay, great.
Clear now everything?
Yeah. So far, so good.
So you have to revise. We'll do till here today. Okay. Till P.
Yeah.
This is your homework. Okay. So I don't think it will take more than 30-40 minutes. Right. Revise everything till here. I have sent you this video also. ABCD video. Okay. Previously I sent this video and this is the file, the PDF file. So revise everything till A till P. Revise it for like 3-4 times properly. Okay. In the next class, we'll do from Q till Z and then we'll take these combinations, vowel combination and consonant combinations.
Done.
Okay. So yeah, just give me a minute. Let me close this.